How to log in into Wiltshire Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this series of How to Log In, today I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Wiltshire Council tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. You can select any of the browser on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Wiltshire Council Tax Login and search for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. On the first website, you can see login and manage your council tax online. Click on it. Now on the top right corner, you will see 3 dash line. Click on it. Again, here you will see different drop-down menu options, from which click on the login/register option. Wait for a while and now you can see you can log in into your account using Citizen ID. So just click on login with Citizen ID option and wait for a while. Now you can finally see sign in or register option. So scroll down and under the sign in with your Wiltshire Council account, you need to enter your sign in name and password. In case you have forgotten your password, click on forget your password option. So enter all of your details and finally click on sign in, and with that you are good to go. This very simple and easy way you can log in into Wiltshire Council tax account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.